लिविंग एरिया यहाँ पर दी गई है आपकी खूबसूरत सी डाइनिंग एरिया, नाइस बिग स्पेशियस किचनेट एरिया, ब्यूटीफुल लुकिंग मास्टर बेडरूम. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at The Views by Adani Realty, which is located right on the Eastern Express Highway in Ghatkopar East. आज हम करने वाले हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट का सैंपल फ्लैट टूर. प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में तो डिटेल में हम जरूर जानेंगे, लेकिन उसके पहले हम जानते हैं कि हाउसी क्या है. लेट मी टेल यू दैट हाउसी है इंडिया का फर्स्ट रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म जो डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करता है कस्टमर्स को विद द डेवलपर, thereby giving you a bottom rate प्राइस, यानी कि द बेस्ट रेट पॉसिबल. अनलाइक अदर करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां पर अगर आप इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो आपके नंबर बहुत सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाते हैं और उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, आपको ढेर सारे कॉल्स आने लगते हैं. लेट मी टेल यू दैट हाउसी एक ऐसा रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधा डेवलपर्स. तो यहाँ वहां जाना छोड़िए, बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद द डेवलपर थ्रू हाउसी. एंड इस लोकेशन के और बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखने के लिए आप क्लिक कर सकते हो ऑन द आई बटन. And now without any delay, let's go and see the project overview. Now talking about the project overview, so the Views by Adani Realty, which is located on the Eastern Express Highway in Ghatkopar East, is going to be constructed on 1.5 acres of land parcel, having 4 towers of ground plus 21 stories each, and everyone is going to get a nice beautiful view of an open view actually of the highway, and everything can be seen clearly from here, easily to connect everywhere. So let me also tell you that they are going to be having 2 and 2.5 BHK apartments, wherein you can also call it as a smart 3 BHK apartment, and some flats are also going to be coming with balconies which are on the higher floors. Now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So as I already mentioned to you that ये है right on the Eastern Express Highway in Ghatkopar East. So यहाँ से हर चीज़ बहुत ही नज़दीक पर है. BKC is just 10 to 15 minutes drive from this project. साथ ही साथ आप connect कर सकते हो to the Eastern Freeway in just 5 minutes. Then you can also connect to Navi Mumbai at an easy connectivity. There is also going to be a monorail, that is upcoming monorail, which is going to be just 750 meters to like 1 kilometers from this project, which is going to connect from Wadala to Thane. साथ ही साथ स्टेशन, रेलवे स्टेशन और मेट्रो की बात की जाए तो घाटकोपर रेलवे स्टेशन, विद्या विहार रेलवे स्टेशन दोनों भी 2 से 2.5 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है. एज वेल एज घाटकोपर मेट्रो स्टेशन इज ऑल्सो 2.5 kilometers from this project. Then you can also connect to the airport easily from this location. And let me also tell you that this is the actual lobby which is going to be of the Views of Adani Realty, and this is how beautiful it looks. And this is one of the exceptional lobbies that you have in Ghatkopar East, so that's like a real plus point to have a beautiful lobby like this. Let me tell you about the amenities. So the project is going to be offering 40 plus world-class amenities with the likes of swimming pool, gymnasium, healthcare center, salon and spa, a library, a Derasar Ghar right inside the project as well. So that's a plus point as well. So yes, और बहुत सारी wonderful amenities आपको मिलने वाली है इस project में. तो चलिए without any delay, let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are heading to the 2 BHK sample flat of The Views by Adani Realty, which is located on the Eastern Express Highway in Ghatkopar East. ये है the actual lobby of the flat, and they have like 4 lifts, 2 staircases and 5 flats on each floor. So yes, है ना ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत. So the flat that we are going to right now is 745 square feet carpet area, and I cannot wait for you to see the flat. So let's go. So yes, as we enter, there's a nice passage area that's been given over here. This is how you can also beautifully customize and design your passage area as well. And now let's get inside this beautifully spacious and luxurious looking living area. यहाँ पर दी गई है आपकी खूबसूरत सी dining area, and यहाँ पर दिया गया है आपका अच्छा सा seating area. So it's a nice big spacious living room is what I must say. And यहाँ पर on the higher floors, that is 6-7 floor के ऊपर आपको मिलने वाली है additional balcony, so you can just enjoy a beautiful view of the different greeneries and the highway from here, as well as यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं एक अच्छी wide French window दी गई है, sliding window, so wide है and it's like heighted ceiling है, so that's really nice. It makes the house look even more spacious. साथ ही साथ जो टाइलिंग दी गई है वो दी गई है विट्रिफाइड टाइलिंग, so that's also really great and of highest quality, so that's one of the USP. So yes, it's of the highest quality. And now let's go and see the kitchenette area. Let's go. So as we go here, it's a nice big spacious kitchenette area. Both sided है, granite platforms दिए गए हैं, stainless steel sink दी गई है, as well as this is how you can also customize your kitchenette area. यहाँ पर एक अलग सी space दी गई है और deck area has been given as well. एक अच्छी सी बड़ी सी deck area दी गई है जहाँ पर आप अपने सारे utilities store कर सकते हो, so that's also like a plus point. साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर आपके रेफ्रिजरेटर के लिए भी जगह दी गई है, यहाँ पर आपके माइक्रोवेव के लिए भी आप ऐसे ही अच्छा सा मॉड्यूलर सा किचननेट बना सकते हो, so that's really great. And now let's go ahead and see the remaining part of the house. And now let's go and see the remaining part of the house. So let's go to the bedroom number 1 जो कि है यहाँ पर, and look at this very beautiful elegantly बनाया गया है ये bedroom number 1, and यहाँ पर आपके wardrobe के लिए भी अलग से space दी गई है, so that's also really very great. And काफी high ceiling का wardrobe बनाया गया है, so अच्छी खासी space है for your clothes and everything. And यहाँ पर दी गई है sliding French wide windows, so that's also really great. And यहाँ पर see, as you can see, ये जो ceiling वाला AC लगाया गया है, that's also a good idea because you can save space and अच्छा सा है. So yes, now let's go ahead and see the bedroom number 2. उसके पहले हम जाकर देखते हैं the common washroom. So this is the common washroom that's been provided over here. अच्छा खासा बड़ा सा common washroom दिया गया है with high-end sanitary fittings, anti-skid tiles. एक छोटी सी window दी गई है for your ventilation as well. So that's also really great. And now let's go and see the bedroom number 2. लेकिन उसके पहले हम जानते हैं कि हाउसी हमारे लिए आखिर करता क्या है. Well, let me tell you that हाउसी में आपको मिलती है actual location tour. You also get to know the sample flat tour as well. We also let you know the pros and cons of every project. Like, why is this project good for you? Why is this project not good for you? Why should invest in a particular project or not? We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. साथ ही साथ हम आपको बताते है 360 degrees virtual project tour. वाह, इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है. And if after all of this अगर आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट पसंद आता है तो in 3 simple clicks आप कर सकते हैं अपनी फ्री साइट विजिट बुक. तो देरी किस बात की, जल्दी से जाइए और अपनी फ्री साइट विजिट बुक कीजिए in just 3 simple clicks by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. And now without any delay, let's go and see the master bedroom. Let's go. So as we enter, you can see यहाँ पर एक अच्छी सी passage area दी गई है. Passage area is also very much important. Does count as well. And now let's see the beautiful looking master bedroom. यहाँ पर भी दी गई है वाइड फ्रेंच स्लाइडिंग विंडोज. एक अच्छा सा नज़ारा आप एंजॉय कर सकते हो, ओपन व्यू एंजॉय कर सकते हो. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो रियली वेरी ग्रेट. यहाँ पर एक छोटी सी स्पेस दी गई है फॉर ईदर योर ड्रेसिंग टेबल बोल लो या फिर आप एक अपनी स्टडी भी बना सकते हैं. साथ ही साथ यहाँ पर आपके वार्डरोब के लिए भी स्पेस दी गई है एज वेल. सो दैट्स रियली ग्रेट अगेन. एंड आई वांट यू टू हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल नाइस व्यू ऑफ द होल बेडरूम from the other angle as well, so you can just know how big it is. And now let's go and see the washroom area, the attached washroom that comes with the master bedroom. So again, this is like a nice big spacious washroom with high-end sanitary fittings and anti-skid tiles. So yes, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the views by Adani Realty, which is located on the Eastern Express Highway in Ghatkopar East. कैसा लगा आपको ये सैंपल फ्लैट टूर? नीचे के कमेंट सेक्शन में आप हमें बताना ना भूले। साथ ही साथ अगर आप डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट का ई ब्रोशर, you can just go and click on the link mentioned in the description. As well as if you need details about this project or any other project, you can just go and register yourself on housey.com. साथ ही साथ जाने से पहले मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूंगी that what do you have to say about this builder Adani? क्या आपने कभी इनसे कोई फ्लैट खरीदे हैं? Let us know in the comment section. Your feedback is very important for us. And जाने से पहले, you know the drill. Subscribe to our channel Housey for more details, for more videos. And also अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो इसे लाइक शेयर करना ना भूले। मैं आपको मिलूंगी अगले वीडियो में। Until then, bye bye and take care.
So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Adani The View, located in Ghatkopar East by Adani Realty. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.